burp in front of people.
Yeah. This will be very, very funny, guys.
Yeah, very funny.
Okay, Hamad, where are you?
I'm in the lobby. It's good.
How many, um,
Oh, vending machine.
just buy everything that you can, afford.
I know, I know.
Come on, open this elevator now. Good. Oi, come with me. I don't want you to do this without me.
I don't want to use clothes. Let the kitchen go.
Me. Okay, I'll buy everything. Pork, cook back, whatever. I'm going to buy all of them. I'm poor now. Don't you think you should also get some Bloxy Cola?
No, but we only need this. That's it. Let's make this a long video.
Um,
Let's make it like a long video.
okay, bro. Okay. I am not chilling. I'm grilling.
Great. That's in real IRL.
Let me see how much. Yeah,
Use like 72.
bro. How much do you weigh?
JD.
Targets, man. What if they know? What if they already know our what we are, what we even do? What? Imagine we're just here to ruin people's lives, bro.
Look at that, look at that. Targets.
Oh my gosh!
Target.
Stop drinking! Go away! So why are we doing this in front of the hearse?
Oh, fuck those others, bro. This is Roblox, man. You like the little kids, man?
Joking, bro. No, little people do that in real life to little kids too, though.
So they didn't.
Yeah, sing in the shower. Do you like my dance?
Some people don't know what's here, but naked.
Bro, you're making me laugh so hard. Okay, you're making me start. I see you. Okay, bro, I'm done. Do we just prank other people now?
Sure.
Let's prank other people. I found it.
There's like secrets around here.
Okay, wait. I want to prank more people. Wait.
Don't prank, bro. I'm going to other people.
Yo, I'm going to prank people who just spawned. Okay, guys, let's smell this. It smells like really nice. You like the soup, right? Eat it. Get scammed. Get scammed. Get scammed. Get scammed. What? Yay, I can order more. Bro, I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of them.
Let's picture it. Why are people like roleplay? We're just goofing around.
Yeah, goofing around is better than roleplay. It's way funnier and way more fun. Clever roleplays get a life.
Rotation.
Okay.
Don't rotate it.
Wait.
We do rotation because when I fart and burp, I can smack the maximum of it.
Let's target.
That.
Come on, let's hope they don't move. Come on. Let's Oh, I love this.
Look at my bio.
What? Epstein. Rick.
See my bio?
Rick.
Can you see my bio?
Come on. Please work.
Let me adjust.
Oh, come on. It's not even showing up. Epstein.
You see mine?
Yeah. Fart and burp gang. Okay. Max. Bo. Okay, you know what?
Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay. What does it say? What does it say?
Beware of burp and fart.
Okay, good.
I.
Should I next show?
Please. To Okay, I burp and fart to Okay, I burp and fart. That's all.
Do you see mine?
Yes, Sigma Funk Man. What the?
Did you fart?
No. Come on. No, let me join. Oh, okay. How do you decline the call?
Is there one out?
Come on, there must be a browser. Wait, you can store more phones that actually have browsers, so that would be good.
May good focus ba? Wait. An example,
Wait, I need to get more food, so wait. I said wait. I said wait. I said wait. I said wait.
video.
Okay. Huh? You will end it?
I will post the video now.
You will end it.
Yeah, I will end it.
Alright. Anyway, start. Right.